Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the software coordinate system template.
Today, we will be introducing the coordinate system template feature in the software, as well as how to draw your own transformation parameters based on these preset coordinate systems.
Firstly, let's take a look at the preset coordinate system templates.
In the software, you can find the standard coordinate system templates commonly used in various countries and regions around the world. These coordinate systems have been preset according to different countries and regions. You can quickly select the appropriate coordinate system based on the country or region you are in. To switch to the coordinate system you need, click the RTK button at the top menu bar, and finally choose Pick. In the Pick interface, you will see two options: Preset Coordinate Systems and Custom Coordinate System. Today, we will mainly focus on the Preset Coordinate Systems. You can find and select the corresponding preset coordinate system based on your country or region. For example, if you are in China, you can choose the CGCS 2000 Gauss-Krüger projection system. If you are in Russia, you can select the MCK02 coordinate system. Once you have selected the appropriate preset coordinate system, click the Choose button, and the system will automatically apply this coordinate system. Next, you can enter the coordinate system parameter settings interface, where you can view and set related parameters by schooling. For new users, you only need to set two key parameters: the ellipsoid and the projection. Then, you can use the point correct feature to calculate and solve for your own coordinate transformation parameters. These parameters will assist you in accurately converting and latitude and longitude obtained from the GNSS receiver into the engineered coordinate system. Finally, if you want to share these settings with other users, click on the Share Coordinate System in the upper right corner, and then export the parameters. This concludes the content of this video tutorial. I hope this explanation has helped you better analyze the software's preset coordinate system templates features.
If you found this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe.
Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.